I am not immune to eating my feelings, but over time, I've learned some steps to avoid it. Step one, what was my trigger? What set me off and made me binge? Step two, go through my list of alternative coping mechanisms. These include, of course, hitting the gym, meditating, and really work on slowing my breathing. And sometimes I'll put really loud, angry music in my ears and I will clean the house as hard as I can. Step three, if that's just not enough to solve the problem, I will reach up and call a friend. Once in a while, I still eat my feelings, but I don't beat myself up about it. Over time, practicing these strategies has helped me to make better emotional as well as nutritional choices.